In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom not responding on Windows 10 when Zoom gets stuck in a meeting. If Zoom suddenly freezes, don't panic right away. The first thing to do is wait a few seconds and see if the app responds again on its own. Sometimes Zoom pauses briefly because of high system usage or a temporary connection issue, and it may recover without any extra action. If it still isn't responding, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. This is the quickest way to see what apps are currently running. In the list of processes, look for Zoom Workplace. Once you find it, select it and click End Task. This will force Zoom to fully close, which is often enough to clear a frozen session. After that, wait a few seconds, then restart Zoom. Open the app again and rejoin your meeting. In many cases, that alone solves the issue and gets everything working normally again. If Zoom keeps freezing, the next step is to restart your Windows 10 computer. A full restart can clear background problems, free up memory, and reset any temporary conflicts affecting Zoom. Once your computer is back on, close any unnecessary apps that may be using your camera, microphone, or too many system resources. Apps running in the background can interfere with Zoom, especially during meetings. Next, open Zoom and click your profile picture. From there, choose Check for Updates and install any available update. Running the latest version is important because updates often include fixes for freezing, crashing, and performance issues. If the problem still continues, uninstall Zoom and then reinstall the latest version. This is a recommended fix for persistent freezing or crashing because it replaces any damaged or outdated program files with a fresh installation. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes make Zoom appear stuck or unresponsive. For a more direct test inside Zoom, press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and D to open Zoom's network connectivity tool, then run a network test and review the results. Once you've gone through those steps, rejoin the meeting and check whether Zoom is responding normally. If you follow this process carefully, you should be able to fix most cases where Zoom freezes or gets stuck on Windows 10.